Hey, what are you doing?
I ate it.
No, don't eat it. What are you making?
I'm making blueberries.
You're making what?
I make blueberries.
Blueberries?
Yeah.
Blueberry what?
Apple.
Are we making pancakes?
I make pizza.
Make pancakes. What are you doing?
Make blueberries.
Making blueberry pancakes. Are you stirring?
Yeah.
Are you cooking breakfast for Mom and Dad?
Yeah.
Yeah. And Lily?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give it.
You're doing good. Oh, 2 spoons? Oh, good job. No, don't eat it. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Don't eat it. Yuck. Yuck. That's not very good when it's not cooked, is it? No. You want to cook it? Okay, let's cook it. Hi, Lily. What doing?
Make blueberries.
Make blueberries? So, why are we upset? Because you want the pancake, but you don't want to pour the batter in the pan. How come? Because you want to stir it? Yeah. What's that? Huh? Okay. So we are upset because we want to stir the batter, but we want pancakes, but we don't want the batter to turn into the pancake. Right. Say I love you. I love you, Lily Ann. Can you say I love you, Granny and Granddad? So I'll see you soon. Are we going to eat these pancakes? No way. You don't want to eat them after we made them? I bet your daddy will eat some. Are you going to try a bite? Is it good?
Yeah.
Did you just say it's the best pancake ever?
Ever, Mama.
Best pancake ever. That's because you made it, Lily. Is it good? Let me see. Is it delicious?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's good when we make our own food and eat it, huh? And make it taste better? Can I show Mommy how you take a bite? You don't want to eat on camera? Hi. What are you doing, pretty girl? You're eating a pancake? Is it so good?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.